Good morning, children. Let's begin with today's thought. Every man is the architect of his destiny. This proverb describes that your own actions and decisions decide what you achieve in life. Children, today we will start a lesson number 34, Managing Information. Now see in your maths textbook, page number 64. In the picture below, the mangoes are labeled with the months of a year. Write the number of days in the respective months. Now here some mangoes are given and they are labeled with the months of the year. These are the Gregorian months. Gregorian year calendar means English months. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now use the picture above to complete the sentence. First, a picture gives the names of how many months? How many months are here? There are total 12 months. So, a picture gives the names of 12 months. Then, in the picture there are dash months of 31 days. Now, calculate the month of 31 days. So, January means 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6 and then 7. So, there are total 7 months of 31 days. Which are they? January, March, May, July, August, October and December. Okay, so in the picture there are 7 months of 31 days. Now there are how many months of 30 days? We know that in February there are either 28 or 29 days. So February is not a month. So in April there are 30 days. So April, June, August, September and November. Okay, April, June, September and November. These 4 months have 30 days. So there are total 4 months of 30 days. The month with 28 or 29 days is February. And the first 31 day month after May is. So May is having 31 days. After May the month is June, but June has 30 days. And after June the month is July. July has 31 days. So the first month after May is July. The first 31 day month after May is July. Okay, because May has 31 days and after May July has also 31 days. Then next, look at this year's calendar and fill in the boxes. Number 1, Ramzan Eid falls in the month of. So you can look at your calendar at your home and fill these boxes also. Ramzan Eid falls in the month of May. Then Christmas is in December. Then Holi is in the month of March. My birthday is in. You can write your birthday month here. Then 1st May is the Maharashtra Day. And the 5th September is the Teachers' Day. Then next page. Now here some months are given and birthdays are given. For example, in January these 2 children has their birthday like this. Some names are given in the respective months and there are some question answers. We can use this chart, this table to solve these question answers. First one, answer the following questions orally, but you can write answer there in your copy, in your maths textbook. In which month do Chaitali and Joseph have their birthday? Now, Chaitali and Joseph, in which month? Now see here, Joseph and Chaitali. So in which month they have their birthday? In the month of October. So write here October. Then how many students have their birthdays in April? Now in the month of April, how many students have their birthday? There are total 3 students. So here 3 students have their birthdays in the month of April. Then which month has the maximum number of birthdays? Now here just look at the month. In the month of March there are 4 children who is having birthday, and the rest of the month either they have 3 children or 2 children. So which month has the maximum number of birthdays? In the month of March there are maximum number of birthdays. Then fourth, in which month are there no birthdays? Now here is July month. In July month there is no birthday. So month is July. Name the children whose birthday are in January. Now in January there are 2 children who is having their birthday. First one is Maya and second is Tanaya. So these 2 children have their birthday in the month of January. Children, today we stop here. In the next period we will see next lesson. Till then, happy learning.